The ideal Pase model AE2CAM inline automatic net weight filling machine auto-loads, fills, lids and lid seals open top gallon cans. This machine comes standard with a large color touchscreen HMI with lighted push-button machine control interface. Recipes are easily created, stored, and loaded using the intuitive graphical user interface touchscreen. A 2-head fill cart equipped with precision-made plug nozzles and a pair of air-actuated ball valves provide the coarse and fine fluid control for each filling nozzle, allowing the filling machine to deliver consistent and accurate fills on every container. Filled cans are then transported to the auto lid placement station, where ample lid storage allows extended filling and lidding before lid resupply and operator involvement is needed. Filled and lidded containers are then sent to the heavy-duty roller closer for final lid sealing. The addition of an optional unscrambler table and accumulation table allows for auto-loading of empty cans into the filler and accumulation of filled and lidded cans at the exit of the filling machine. Can stops ensure that empty cans are correctly positioned under each of the 2 filling nozzles prior to the fill step. Once on the 2 independent scales, empty cans are lifted off the conveyor chains during the fill process for accurate weight measurements. After the fill, scale sections lower the filled cans onto the chain conveyor for transport to the lidding station. The drip tray moves under the nozzles after the fill cycle to eliminate any dripped product. At the lidding station, a pneumatic-driven suction cup arm grabs each lid one at a time and places it on the top of the container, followed by star wheels that position each lid precisely on the chime prior to the lid sealing step. The filling station, lid station, and roller closer station are all contained inside glass-walled guarding enclosures with robust industrial interlock doors for maximum operator safety. For auto net weight filling, lidding, and lid sealing of 1-gallon open-top cans, look no further than Ideal Pace's Model AE2CAM for maximum filling productivity, fill accuracy, and operator safety. For additional information on the Model AE2CAM or price quotation, please contact an Ideal Pace representative.